I was half successful. I would call this one maybe 60%. Half of the board bent, the other half, as you can see, did not. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bend wood using your mind.
Why are you the way that you are?
Okay, maybe not using your mind, but using some power tools. For the people that don't know what kerf cutting is, it's basically a whole bunch of lines cut to a certain depth on your piece of wood, kind of like relief cuts, and that's going to allow you to bend your wood without it breaking. I'm sure Google has a better explanation. I'll probably put that somewhere on the screen. But that's pretty much it. I'm not just trying to bend wood, I'm actually trying to make something. I'm going to be making a monitor stand. This monitor stand is going to be roughly 2 feet long. So I need to find the middle of my board, mark out 1 foot in each direction, and at those marks is where I'll be able to start bending the wood in. For 3/4 inch thick material, my cuts need to be 30 of an inch apart. So that's what you're gonna see me space them out like this. On my crosscut sled, I have a mark to see how much I need to space it. There is a website, I'll link down below in the description. It actually tells you how much you need to cut, how the spacing needs to be, and how deep the cut needs to be. So 100% I do not recommend that you do this. If you don't have a steamer, go ahead and put a pot on the stove with water and make sure the water is steaming, and just put your piece of wood on top of that. I tried that, it will work better for me, but I still didn't get good results with walnut. So this attempt right here is using water from the spigot, and we're in December right now, so the water was pretty cold, and that probably did not do as much help as I thought it would. So to get my mind off of just ruining a piece of walnut, I went ahead and started on the poplar. I kind of did the same thing. I took it to the spigot and used cold water from outside. And surprisingly, this actually worked, probably because poplar is a lot softer than walnut.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
I don't know if wood glue works as well when it's wet, but I need to keep it wet in order to bend it. So we'll find out. So the poplar one is pretty good. I fixed the little imperfection down here in this corner. And these edges right here look kind of ugly, but you can see the curve cuts. So what I did is I cut down these strips of poplar. They're 1/8 of an inch thin, and I'm just gonna glue them on here. and then just use a router and kind of just flush it to the shape of this. So go ahead and glue these on now. All right, so I gave walnut another try and I was half successful. I would call this one maybe 60%. Half of the board bent, the other half, as you can see, did not. I don't know if I'll be able to do this with walnut. The poplar I did fine, that one's good.
The next day.
If you're gonna do something like this, do yourself a huge favor and sand before you bend anything. I learned this the hard way. Hopefully I don't screw this up by going with a bit of mahogany here. After allowing the stain to dry for over 24 hours, I applied a couple of layers of shellac, sanding in between each coat with 220 grit sandpaper. And with that last layer of shellac, this project was done. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you didn't like the video for some reason, make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed, thank you. So let me know what you guys think about this wood bending technique. Is this something you might try? Should I have gone with a different stain? I don't know. Just let me know down in the comment section below. Also, I'll put links down below in the description to everything I used in this video.